Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the owl sound. So are you ready? Let's get started. The owl sound, like in the words Chào or Sao, is a combination of the A sound and the U sound. Let's see how to pronounce the owl sound. First, let's talk about the tongue. We're gonna start by placing the back of the tongue on the low position and put your tongue a little bit forward. Then you have to raise the back of the tongue high up and move your tongue back. Now let's talk about your mouth shape. Open your mouth widely, then smoothly make your mouth a little bit smaller, like a tight circle. And the key point about the owl sound is when we are pronouncing the owl sound, the A sound is a short sound, but the U sound is a long sound. So you have to make the A sound very short, and the U sound, you have to prolong the U sound. Okay, now let's try to say the sound. Ow, ow, ow. Now let's try to say some words with the owl sound. The first word is bảo, cao, cáu, lau, hầu, gầu, mau, màu, cháu, nhàu, lầu bầu, hau hảo. Now let's try to say a sentence with many of the owl sound. We're gonna do it in 3 steps. On the first step, I'm gonna say the sentence very slowly. Then I'm gonna do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I'm gonna say the sentence with normal speed. Cháu đau vì bị chảy máu. Now a little bit faster. Cháu đau vì bị chảy máu. Now with normal speed. Cháu đau vì bị chảy máu. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.